Hi, we are the Nordstrom Performance Engineering team presenting the magical Oracle DBA-Lite Splunk app. What we have done here is we've combined the power of Oracle and the power of Splunk to come up with this amazing app called the Oracle DBA-Lite. Using this app, you can get complete insights into database performance, making use of the single snapshot views. This app is proving out to be a game-changing tool in the way we analyze database performances, and we would love to share the app and the approach with all of you.
In traditional way, non-DBA performance engineers and testers spends hours pulling data together to answer the question, how did Oracle database perform during the test? They use multiple Xamarin screens to get host performance stats, multiple Oracle AWR report to get database performance stats, and sometimes Oracle OEM tool as well. Much time was spent going through one source and a screen to another, wading through more detail than they needed, trying to get a coherence picture of covering both host and database performance. An innovative Oracle DBA app is created to bring together basic host and database performance stats in one location at a detail level useful to non-DBAs. The general approach of the solution of this innovative app is that for store procedure runs in Oracle database, the store procedure reads Oracle performance view and writes data out to operating system text file. Splunk consumes text performance data, and Oracle DB-Lite app represents the Splunk data via simple XML views. The host performance stats are obtained from NIC add-on for Unix or Linux. Let's get into Oracle DB-Lite demo. As you see here, we can select the environment, we can select the target test time period, we can select the baseline. The first screen shows the basic information about the database, number of instances, memory, CPU, etc. Then we have CPU stats like CPU load, CPU utilization, comparing with the baseline. Then we have memory stats, again like comparing with the baseline. Then we have like database memory usage and all, and compare with the baseline. If we need to investigate CPU or memory further, then we can click this link and get into the detail where is the CPU or memory being spent. In this view, we can get further detail about the CPU usage, like percentage breakdown by the various weights, compare with the baseline, CPU load, again compare with the baseline. Then we have like by instance, and we can go further, look for memory stats, again like where is memory being used, swap usage versus phase out. We can click on return to summary page here to go back to the main. On the main page, we can scroll down further to look for the blocking summary, or we can look for logs, deadlocks, we can look for undo space usage, we can look for IO stats, we can look for top events, we can compare the top sequels performance, we can look into the top SQL by elapsed time, we can look into top SQL by CPU, by IO. We can look for top SQL by elapsed, we can look for top SQL by CPU. If you're looking for the CPU utilization issues, then we can look for the SQLs which are consuming most of the CPU. And if we have to investigate further on the SQLs, we can click on the SQL text to view the details of SQL. Here on the next view, SQL text and run stats. We can look into the SQL performance, executions, the plan values, CPU taken versus, and then compare it with the baseline as well. In this page, we're explaining where to get this most innovative Oracle DB-Lite app. We can get it from GitHub, we can get it from Splunk base. We have also hosted it on AWS machine for demo purpose. If you have any questions, please contact Lavita, Aswin Kasari, Aftab Alam.